Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs with spinach. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, about 1 cup of fresh spinach, and 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for extra fluffiness. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. This quick and healthy meal is perfect for any morning, providing a great start to your day with minimal effort. Now, let's prepare our spinach. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add the fresh spinach and sauté it gently until it completely wilts down, which usually takes just a couple of minutes. Once it's cooked, remove the spinach from the pan and set it aside. This step ensures your eggs won't be watery. Next, it's time for the eggs. In a bowl, whisk your 2 large eggs with a tablespoon of milk or cream, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until they are light and frothy. Pour this mixture into the same pan you used for the spinach over medium-low heat. Cook gently, stirring occasionally with a spatula until soft, fluffy curds form. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently fold the wilted spinach into your perfectly scrambled eggs. Stir just enough to combine them evenly. Serve your delicious scrambled eggs with spinach immediately for the best flavor and texture. This dish is fantastic on its own or alongside some toast. For more great tips and product recommendations, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.